Yeah, some additional features that we're adding in here is the ability to have a timeline right underneath here because, like I said, we've been pulling a lot of data.
You want to, I don't want stuff from 4 years ago.
Right. And it gives more focus, and that allows you to do that. And we also have just now decided that only the first 4 pieces of information on the data set that we just received will be part of the search. That is the status of the recall, the distribution pattern of what we call the states, which is important to me, the UPC or serial number. I think this has been released out, and so people can't search against the UPC. They look at it and they go, okay, I'm going to look at this UPC, especially if they have a mobile phone.
They can scan it, and that would be
that's right. That's kind of cool, right?
Yeah, that would be nice.
And that's really it. The rest of it is just really, it's not pertinent to the thing, and it may not be as useful. But
I could see that UPC being a pretty cool feature for the I'm buying this product, quick, and it just comes back and says no recalls, or you might want to read this.
That's right.
Yeah.
And so that'd be a cool feature for adding it. That. And so those are to meet some of the search criteria that will be in here. So the UI will be centralized here. Not only that, it shows in the map that your date been affected, but you can also move the date range and also search by UPC specific, which may relate back to maybe product description, like Pepsi or something like that. As well. And additional information that we thought would be useful, and I think as part of the requirement too, is some sort of social. So, I know we can pull in Twitter feed, but once we understand that a little bit better, if you're only worried about Twitter feed in your area, then only those. I don't know how we can be able to parse that, but that's the idea. Just
try to keep it
to localize. That's pertained to Ant Jordan, right? And so that's really where we're starting now after I think just a few days of wireframing.
And how do we filter those feeds? I get the location, but is it based on the search criteria? Is it based on?
The idea is based on the states and the region that you're in, maybe some sort of GPS information to give you the local. I don't know how that
or
works.
Product description or.
Yeah, it could be any of the search criteria.
Any of that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sounds interesting.
Right
and then
now,
it's going to be a single web page that figures out how you're hitting it. And
yes, absolutely. That's why.
Yeah, be responsive. Okay.
So we're working. We're building it with Bootstrap framework, and as you can see, when you're on the tablet, there's going to be a menu button. I need a laptop. I know, it's killing me. This is one of the easier projects.
What app were you using?
This is Xshore. I can actually push it up onto the cloud.
Yeah.
And we've been sharing information back and forth. It's really good. And you can actually.
It should have like an interactive wireframe by the end of the day.
Okay.
Right.
Great.
As a matter of fact, where did it go? So I'm going to hit preview here. And it's going to be working out. There you go. Now, you can mock things like adding in there, state.